Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to Wolverhampton Parkrun. The sun is shining, the fountains are switched on, and the birds are singing. However, slightly alarmingly, it's gone 5 to 9, and I'm not on the Parkrun start line. So I should probably get there quite quickly. I've had a pretty rough week, I've not been very well, and so I've definitely taken things easy this morning, but I've potentially taken them a little too easily. I've got no aspirations for today apart from getting round. I still feel a bit shit, and so I just don't want to push it. Alright, let's get onto the run. Almost through the first K, and as ever at Wolverhampton, I've made the mistake and gone off far too quickly and paid the price. It's also a lot busier than I remember here at Wolverhampton. Today I'm going to try and run the downhills and walk the uphills. If I manage more than that, I'll be very, very happy. I said earlier I was feeling a bit shit. Well, that hasn't improved. On to the second lap. I honestly want to die. Everything hurts. My chest is tight. I may well regret this, but I am going to push on. Coming to the top of the hill for the second time, and I am truly fucked. I'm so glad it's not about the time today. It's just about getting around. I've got to start listening to my body, and my body is telling me not to run and to take breaks. I'm burnt out and I need to slow down. Start of the third lap. New plan. Power walk it and run where I can. I can't do any more than that. Let's just keep pushing and see what we get. Almost there now, because it's time to turn for home. Cheers, mate, thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Oh my word, that hurt this morning. Strava reckons about 41 minutes. I'm amazed it's that quick. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Sorry it's been a bit brief this week, but I'm really not feeling it. Next week, in theory, I'm at Bicester, but we shall see. It all depends on how I feel. Thank you very much for watching, guys, and I'll see you all soon. Bye bye.